Hi guys, today is Eid and I'm getting ready to go and eat chimere. So let's get ready with me. I usually do like a simple makeup. I like to look in the mirror and recognize myself. If I do not, then it freaks me out. I usually start with my brows and I use this got2b glue and just get my brows down like that. I really need to twist them, but I am late, so I'm not doing that. Get my fan and blow dry. Blow them a bit dry. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I usually alternate between this and this. In the winter I use this because my skin lightens up, and in the summer I use this, but I was on vacation, so my skin is a bit dark now. And this brush, what I do is tap at the top like this, and then I place a little bit there first and there, and then I will do the top as well. Okay, then I'll remove the excess. Then I will go in like, by the way, I'm using my left hand. I'm not left-handed, but I got an injury with my right hand and it's in recovery. So right now I have to make do with my right hand. I mean with my left hand. You know what they say about brows? The best you can do is have them look like siblings, but they can never look like twins or even sisters. If you get them to look like cousins, just leave it at that. So that's the first brow. Looks good. To be honest, it looks good. Considering I'm using my left hand, imagine what I would do if I was using my right. But no, this is the tricky one. It's always the one that gives me a hard time. Let me tell you, the dedication and commitment that goes into brows needs to be studied. I think on my face, this is the thing that takes me the longest. Do they look closely related? Like they may not be sisters, but do they look like cousins at least? I'm not doing anything else. So yeah, I will go in with my foundation. I literally just do the foundation and that's it. I don't do concealer. Well, I'm not even good at that. That is something that I need to practice, I think. Maybe I need to put some time into it as well. And you know, one thing I hate about makeup is the taking off part. Like when you have to take it off at the end of the day. Oh, I forgot. This is this. Then I go in with my sponge. It's a bit dumb. Ah, you see how that melts into my skin? Oh. I developed a spot there that I did not have. I don't know where it came from, but I like it. So I'm not even bothered. And then you see how that is blending in. Ah! I'm going to wear something that is going to expose my neck, and because of that I'm going to put some makeup on my neck, some foundation for continuity. You see that? You see how that? Oh my god, look at my skin. To be honest, I'm very proud of my skin at this point. I remember there's a time where I used to never even get out of the house to go to the shop without wearing makeup because my skin was bad. Very, very bad. I had acne. I had a lot of acne around here, like too much. Now I feel like that explains why I have a lot of hyperpigmentation around here, because I did have acne. So basically, this is all I do. I'm also not very good at doing makeup, so this is the best I can do at this point. When I learn better skills, I will do better skills. But right now, this is what we are settling with. And then after that, I will go in with this mascara. This is for my lower lashes. To be honest, lower lashes is a different struggle, especially because I'm using my left hand. One thing I've learned about accidents is that you never know how useful something is until you can't use it. Because at this point I feel like it's the small things that I used to do with my hand, and now the struggle is real. Oh my god, I've already messed it up, but I am late, so I have to settle. You see how my right hand is injured, but it's still doing a better job than my left hand, because it's my dominant hand. Okay. If you don't look ugly when you're doing your lashes, are you even doing your lashes? Oh, you be good. So that's it. Lashes are done. That's the good thing about doing your lashes. You don't have to do your lashes. These are Essence. They're very cheap. I think they're like €3-4 each. Really alternate between this brown and this black. And because I was on vacation, I got it tan. I'm going to use this, but usually I use this brown. Again, with my left hand. And I don't line the inside. I could care less. And then I go in with my concealer brush, the same brush that I use for my eyebrows. Then going with my foundation and my concealer brush for my eyebrows. I just put a little bit there, literally, like tap. And then I conceal my line, you know. Okay. Then I go in with my beauty blender. And after that, I will go in with a lip gloss. Dang. This is the lip gloss. What is it called? I think Essence as well. With this, But this is annoying me. Oh. So I like to put a little bit of gloss on my the Cupid ball. To make them look juicy. So basically, that's my look. That's my simple glam. I'm done. Due to lack of expertise, and this is all I can do at the moment. And to be honest, I like it. I like that it looks, you know, like me. So yeah. I feel like I look like myself, you know? Thank you and bye.